Every single time you talk to a customer, that's a real opportunity. It's a chance to solve a problem, build a little trust, and yeah, drive a sale. But let's be honest, when it comes to picking a Shopify chat app, the sheer number of options can be totally paralyzing. So today, we're going to dive in and find the perfect tool for you.
And when I say paralyzing, I am not kidding. If you head over to the Shopify App Store right now, you are going to find literally over 600 different chat apps. 600. It's not just a few options, it's a total sea of choice.
So that leaves you with the big question, right? Where do you even begin? Do you go for the free one? The one that has all the cool AI features? The one everyone on Twitter is talking about? It's really easy to get stuck before you even get started.
But that's exactly what we're here to do. We're going to cut through all that noise. This isn't just another boring list of features. No, we are going to match the absolute best tool to your specific business stage, whether you're just launching your first product or you're scaling a massive global brand. So here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the perfect apps for brand new stores. Then, we'll level up to the tools you need when your business is really growing. And after that, we'll cover the absolute powerhouse help desks for scaling brands. Then, I'm going to give you a smart launch plan so you don't get overwhelmed, and we'll wrap it all up with a final, clear recommendation. Sound good? Let's go.
All right, first up, chat apps for new stores. When you're just getting started, you know that every single penny and every single minute counts. The name of the game is simple, effective, and let's be real, free.
For any new store owner, my default starting point is always Shopify Inbox. And for a really good reason. It's made by Shopify themselves, which gives it this huge built-in advantage right from the get-go.
The real beauty of Shopify Inbox is just how simple it is. I mean, it is 100% free forever, and it lives right inside your Shopify admin, so there's no clunky new software to learn. You can share products and send out discount codes directly in the chat, which is perfect for closing those first few sales and handling a lower volume of chats as you get your feet wet.
But hey, what if you're not a solo founder? What if you have a partner, or maybe an early team member helping you out? Well, that's where our next option, Talk To, comes into play.
Now, Talk.to's standout feature, and listen, this is a huge one, is something that almost nobody else offers for free. Unlimited agents. You can get your entire team on board without paying a dime in subscription fees. Plus, it comes with a built-in knowledge base and lets you see who's on your site in real time. For a team on a tight budget, the value here is just unbeatable.
Okay, let's shift gears. You've got consistent traffic coming in, orders are flowing, and your needs are starting to change. It's not just about answering questions anymore. Now it's about automating, being proactive, and actually turning those browsers into buyers. This brings us to the tools for growing businesses.
To me, Tidio is the perfect first upgrade from a free app. It just does such a fantastic job of rolling up live chat, AI chatbots, and even some email marketing tools into one clean, affordable platform.
And this is where things get really powerful. Tidio has a super intuitive visual chatbot builder, so you can set up automations without having to write a single line of code. Their Lyra AI can handle up to 70% of common questions, which frees you up for the really important conversations. And the impact? It's real. The eyewear brand IO actually drove an extra 177,000 euros in revenue after putting Tidio in place. Just a heads up though, the free plan is pretty limited, so an upgrade is definitely in your future as you grow.
Okay, but what if your number one goal, your main mission, is to turn more of those conversations into actual cash? Well, in that case, you have got to look at live chat. It is built from the ground up to do exactly that.
What live chat does better than almost anyone is focus on the sale. You can automatically start chats on high-intent pages like your cart or checkout page. You can even send these cool little interactive product cards so customers can add stuff to their cart without ever leaving the chat window. And the results? They speak for themselves. Get this, Luxy Hair found that nearly 30% of their total revenue came from customers who chatted with their team. That is just a massive impact.
All right, let's talk about the big leagues. Your brand is established. You're dealing with high volume coming in from email, social media, and chat. You need efficiency. You need power. This is where we get into the true help desks, the ultimate command centers for your customer service.
I want you to think of Gorgias as the mission control for a high-volume Shopify store. Its absolute superpower is how deeply it plugs right into the Shopify platform.
The biggest win here is the incredible amount of time you save. I mean, think about it. Your agents can edit orders, change shipping details, and process refunds without ever leaving the gorgeous dashboard. No more flipping between 10 different tabs. It brings everything, chat,
email, Facebook comments, Instagram DMs into one unified view. And this efficiency, it pays off. The clothing brand Tommy John used Gorgeous to drive an extra $106,000 in sales in just 2 months.
Now, for those brands that are scaling even bigger, maybe you're selling across multiple platforms, Zendesk is the enterprise-grade solution. You know, the one the huge brands use. It's all about true omni-channel support. Zendesk creates this unified workspace where everything flows. Chat, emails, social, even phone calls. It all comes to one place so your team never loses contact. And just like Gorgeous, its Shopify integration is a massive time saver. And if you want to see the power of this, listen to this. The home decor brand Spoonflower found their conversion rate was a staggering 9 times higher for shoppers who use their chat. 9 times higher. Wow.
Okay, picking the tool is one thing, but actually implementing it without going crazy is another. That fear of being chained to your desk all day answering chats? It's real. So let's break down how you can actually get started with live chat without burning out.
Here's a super simple 3-step playbook. First, don't just plaster the chat widget everywhere. Start smart. Put it only on your high-intent pages, like your product pages and your checkout page. Second, automate the easy stuff. Set up automatic replies for your top 3 most common questions. You know, the classic, where is my order? And third, be realistic. Set clear online hours so customers know when they can expect a live response. It is so much better to offer amazing service for a set window than mediocre service 24/7. All right, we have covered a ton of ground, so let's bring it all home. When it comes to choosing the best Shopify chat app, it really just comes down to matching the right tool to where your business is right now. So, to make this as simple as humanly possible, here is our final verdict. For news stores, just start with Shopify Inbox. It's free, it's built in, it is a total no-brainer. For growing stores, our top pick is Tidio. It just hits that perfect sweet spot of AI, automation, and price. And for scaling brands, we recommend Gorgeous. It is the ultimate help desk built from the ground up to make high-volume Shopify stores more efficient and way more profitable.
Look, at the end of the day, the right tool isn't just about answering questions or putting out fires. It's about building relationships. It's about growing your business. So the only question left is, are you ready to start turning those conversations into customers?